Look at this sucker, man. This is not what you want coming at you in a dark alley. I have the fully serrated one. I've owned this for many years, actually. But they just, they reintroduced this, so I figure, hey, this needs some airtime. Those serrations, you're gonna see how effective those are. I mean, I'm sure you know. Is this worth it? I'd say so. I've been pleased with mine all these years. Cold steel, Talwar, folding knife, fully serrated. Have a little fun with the bottles. Warm up. There you go. Sharp, very sharp. These serrations, nasty. Alright, other way. Nice. Cheers to you. Hope you're all doing well these days. Adios. Ah, we did it. Ashtray for you. Fast cuts. Two for you. Oh, got a little left over. There we go. Adios to two. I'm telling you, these serrations cut like a chainsaw. The little pointy parts basically start the cut very well. That's my offhand. There we go, that was a massacre. Alright, back and forth, offhand. There we go. How low can we go? Pretty low. Gotta cut them low. We did it! I like that. 1, 2, 3, and 3.5. There you go. Yeah, so I noticed that they re-released the Talwar. Figured I'd make a video with my old Talwar. You want one of these? I'll include links below for your convenience. It's a fine blade. I hope you like that sideways thrust. Now if that was a throat, you just push it straight out. See, the quick double cuts are difficult because you don't have time to see if the first cut was successful. You got to go right into the second cut. See what I mean? We did it! Great success. Talwar, Implement of Doom, from the twisted mind of Lynn Thompson, inspired by history. Hope you enjoyed that more than those bottles did. Another fast cut. There you go. There you go. 2 and 2. Some commenter said, "You really hate those bottles." Well, sure, subscribe. You get cutting and real hate. How'd you like to be there? Yeah, wish you were here. Wish you were here. Three for you. Okay, my people, well, I certainly hope you enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. Final thoughts on this blade? It can do anything you would need it to do. All sorts of tactics and techniques from all manner of martial arts, Filipino martial arts or any. Yes, definitely, if you need kind of like the ultimate in large folder protection, this is definitely one of my top choices.